Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you take a second and click the subscribe button down below because I got a ton more videos coming out to you guys, a lot more product reviews you don't want to miss out. Now today's product, what we've got is some sort of balancing toy that I found on eBay for just about $1. I'll put that link in the description if you guys want to get your own. I'm not 100% sure how it works or like what it is completely, but let's open this thing up, check it out, and tell you if it's worth it. Alright guys, so here is our product. We're going to go ahead and use this pen knife that I reviewed in the last video to open this bad boy up. Alright, as you can see, it's sharp enough to get the job done. Now let's see what we've got in our package. A very damaged box is what it looks like initially. Hopefully our product is not damaged. Oh, okay. Okay. That's all we really get in the box. Some plastic that was probably supposed to be protecting our materials here. It's pretty small, not gonna lie. I thought it was gonna be bigger, but let's take a look at these hopefully instructions on how this thing works. And no, that's not important at all to me. I just have to figure it out, I guess. Is this like the extent of what it does? He just kind of chills on there and bounces back and forth. Like, is that all it does? Huh. Well, in all honesty, I really do think that's all it does. I mean, can we get it to do anything more interesting? Besides just kind of sit there and balance? That's actually kind of cool. Look, I can get this thing going on my finger. Clearly doesn't keep going for as long. It's weirdly balanced. It is extremely balanced, which is interesting. I guess that's why he stands up on his two legs. I guess this is all this thing is just a little balance toy. Let's flip it over just to see if there's anything different on this side compared to the other side. And no, there's not. It's a weird one. It's definitely one of those desktop toys that you just throw on your desk and forget about. It is kind of neat how it keeps going back and forth for a while, almost like a Newton's cradle kind of thing. It is made of metal, if you guys were wondering. It looks like stainless steel of some sort. It's pretty hefty, but not like heavy. Clearly there's not a lot of metal there. It works. I mean, it does exactly what you would expect it to do. It doesn't fall very often, besides the occasional tilt. But you can see how it's just chilling there. He's just rocking back and forth for as long as he can. Interesting. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick little review of this physics toy for your desk. It's a $1 price tag. If you need something like this, if you like something like this, I'll definitely have that link in the description below. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button right down here. If you want to check out the last video of the channel, it'll be right up there for you guys. And if you want to check out the whole playlist of a bunch more product reviews of stuff like this and better than this, it'll be right up there. Have a great day, everybody, and as always, don't get shot.